In today's video, I'll show you how to create a delicate cherry blossom branch using just pipe cleaners and a few simple tools. My studio assistants are already enjoying the morning, just grooming and soaking in the quiet. Looks like they're joining me on the garden table today. Breakfast first, of course, priorities. Here's everything we'll need for one cherry blossom branch, complete with 6 little flowers and 4 leaves. 2 pipe cleaners in each shade of pink, light, medium, and deep. 2 green pipe cleaners. 1 floral stem wire. Green floral tape. Some artificial flower stamen. A little blush in deep pink. A set of pliers. Crafting scissors. Ruler. A pen with a diameter of 1.2 centimeters. A hot glue gun. And a hair straightener. Let's begin by crafting one of the tiny blossoms. Take 1 pink pipe cleaner and wrap it 5 times around your pen. Once wrapped, twist the bottom to secure it. Take the pipe cleaner out. And thread the longer end through the center. Twist again to secure it in place. Now fold the end downward. Separate the looped petals. Pinch inner side of each petal gently, and then flip them forward to shape. If you were making these cherry blossoms, which color would you choose? Soft blush, deep pink, or something totally unexpected? Take a moment to arrange and tidy the petals. Using a hair straightener, press each petal lightly to flatten and soften. Now trim the top of each petal into a small V to make it look more like real sakura. If you're still watching, drop A in the comments to let me know you're here. It always warms my heart to see who stayed with me till the end. Give them a gentle curve, and just look at that shape. Add a soft touch of blush to the center of each petal. Take 3 artificial stamens. Fold them in half. Trim off the excess and glue them into the center of the flower. Now take your floral tape. Remember to stretch it slightly before using. It activates the adhesive. Wrap the base of the flower tightly. One tiny cherry blossom is complete. Make 6 in total, 2 blossoms from each pink shade. Now for the leaves. Cut 1 green pipe cleaner in half. From 1/2 measure 4 centimeters. Fold it down and tuck a 0.5 centimeters tip under to secure the shape. Thread the longer piece through the loop. Pull down gently and use pliers to tighten. Adjust the shape. Use your straightener to flatten the leaf shape. Wrap the leaf base with floral tape. Do you usually craft in the morning, like me, or late at night when it's quiet? I'd love to hear when your creative time happens. And that's 1 leaf done. You'll need 4 leaves in total. Now we're ready to assemble. Take your stem wire and floral tape. Arrange your flowers and leaves however you like. There's no wrong way to make something beautiful. Let me know in the comments, how far did you follow along today? Did you make a blossom? A full branch? Or are you just enjoying the process for now? Final adjustments. Give each piece a little bend to bring it to life. Meanwhile, someone's supervising closely, still grooming. And a little scratch behind the ears, because every good helper deserves a thank you. Here they are, nestled gently in a vase, our handmade cherry blossoms in full bloom. Thank you for crafting with me today. Hope to see you in my next video.